In the question itself, it is given theta is 60 degree, so written, and r is equals to 21 centimeter, that also we are writing. And first thing we are finding the length of the arc, as it is asked. The length of the arc is nothing but this area. Length of arc is equals to, tell me the formula. Is it the formula? You have made a chart of formula also. Theta by 360 into 2 pi r is the length of the arc. Now theta is how much? Yes, 2 into pi we can take 22 by 7. They have given into r is 21. Yes, tell me how to cancel. First 0 and 0 is cancel. 6 ones are 36 is nothing but 6 are. And next 2 ones are 3 is are. Correct? 7 is a 3 is a. And 3 and 3, can I cancel this? Okay. What is remaining? 22 centimeter. So the arc length is how much? 22 centimeter is the arc length. First question is clear. And the second one, area of sector. Who will tell the formula? Yes, that is theta by 360 into pi r square. Now see here in the figure, if this is center O, A, and if I point here as a PB, and see here, this is nothing but your area of sector. So area of sector you are going to find by this formula. Tell me the substitution. 60 by 360 into 22 by 7. R square is nothing but 21 square, so I am writing 2 times. 21 into 21. 7 ones are 3s are 0 0 cancel. 6 ones are 6 are 3 ones are 2s are 2 ones are 11s are. What is remaining now? 11 into 21 is remaining. Tell me the answer. 11 into 21 is equals to, yes, 231 centimeter square is the answer for the area of sector. Now comes area of segment. Here how we are using is little bit complicated question. Area of segment. Now we know that theta is 60 degree, and we know what we know, this one area of segment. If we want to know, first what we are doing, area of sector minus the r square sine theta upon 2, that formula we are using, because of to know only about this area, the, see here, to know only about the this area, first we are going to minus this value from the formed region, so that we can find this region. So I will tell you the formula now. You see here, theta upon 360 into 360 into pi r square, okay, minus r square sine theta by 2. Now tell me fast all the substitutions. Theta is 60, 360, 22 by 7 into r is, okay, 21 into 21, minus is there, r square is again 21 into 21, sine theta, that is sine 60 whole divided by 2 is there. Sine 60 whole divided by 2. Sine 60 is how much? Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Very good. Now let me cancel this and make a smaller. 6 ones are 6 are. Correct? 6 how much are? 6 twos are. 3 2 2 threes are. 2 threes are and 2 elevens are. Correct? 3 ones are. 3 sevens are. 7 7 cancel. Again 11 into 21 is remaining. That is nothing but 231 only. So this part is 231. This one is solved. Correct? All the cancellation we have made, we got 231. And minus, tell me for this, what is remaining? 21 into 21 is there. Let me write it. And sine 60 is root 3 by 2 whole divided by 2. Correct? Now, tell me solution for this. See here, I'm just writing 231 as it is, I'm keeping 231 minus 21 into 21, that is 21 square is? Yes, 441 and root 3 by 2 and down again denominator is 2. So what happens? Root 3 by 2, see here, root 3 by 2 into this 1 upon 2. Okay, nothing but you are getting 231 minus 441 root 3 by 4 to whole. Yes. And here what we if possible common we can take and solve, but there is no further solution where we can't see any of the even numbers also to take the common or any of the same table. So we are just going to keep it like this.